Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium level question that I just solved on my own. So I'm super happy about this and I'm extremely glad that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance. So let's go over it and let me show you how I did it. So this is question 3334, find the maximum factor score of array. So you're given this integer array nums and you want to multiply after removing at most one element, the least common multiple and GCD of all the elements of the array. So let's do exactly that. Let's first understand that at least it has to be the biggest because both of a single number are just a number itself. So let's define a result as max of nums. That's going to be the answer in the worst case. And then let's go ahead and get the LCD and the GCD. So L and G, let's define those as nums of 0 and then just keep adding to the number. So L is equal to LCM of L and nums of I. And then G is GCD of G and nums of I. So just building the LCM and the GCD for each element as we loop left to right. And then at the end, we're going to take, so this is not excluding any element, right? So let's run this first. And so next we have to actually exclude one element because that might be a better result, which we're going to make a deep copy of it. And then we're going to make a shallow copy, which is just going to hold everything in nums, and we're just going to pop every element as we loop from left to right. So for I in range length of nums, copy.pop I, and then let's print copy, and then let's also revert this copy back to the original deep copy. So this is not going to change, right? So you can see you get 4, 8, 16, and then you get 2, 8, 16. So excluding one element at a time, 2, 4, 16, and then 2, 4, 8. So then let's just go ahead and find, if copy exists, let's go ahead and find the LCD and GCD of those as well. So let's call this copy of 0, copy of 0. And then for J in range, 1 length of copy. Again, L is going to be LCM of L and copy of J. So with copy of J. And then G is GCD of G with copy of J. And then at the end, again, we can maximize answer with L times G since we're trying to find the product of all elements. So the good factor, the factor score is defined as the product of LCM and GCD of all elements of the current array. So let's run this. Okay. Answer and L times G. So let's run this. Okay, so let's define this as result instead of answer. Okay, run this again. Okay, submit it. And there you go, passes all test cases. So again, I'm super happy that I was able to come up with my own solution to this question without any assistance and solve it completely on my own. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching.